Assalamu alaikum. This is lesson 1 of our unit on magnetism. This lesson has 3 parts, really 4, but 3 that we're going to go through at this time. So let's get started. So with this lesson, there's a student guide which should be available along with this video. And when you open that up, you will see the 3 parts that we're getting ready to do. So if you look at part 1, here is our list of materials that we'll need for part 1. First thing we're going to need is we're going to need a bar magnet, one that is marked with the north and south poles. We'll need a compass, and we'll need a pencil and a sheet of paper. The larger the sheet of paper, the better. So when you open up the guide, you'll see there's some questions for you to address before we even get started. So 3 questions, and then including some time to go ahead and play with the magnets and the compass to see how they interact. So I'll let you do that on your own. But let's go ahead and go to step 5, where we're going to trace the magnetic field lines around the magnet using a compass. So the first thing we're going to do is take the magnet down in the center of the page. Something like that. Then we're going to use our compass, and I'd recommend one of these circular compasses that you can lay flat and move around, and you will see how it interacts with the magnet. And so what we're going to do is this. You're going to place your magnet somewhere near, place the compass somewhere near the magnet, and you're going to mark where the 2 tails would be with a dot of the north and the south reading on the compass, like this. And so what you'll do is, starting from the magnet, you'll go ahead and connect those lines. Like that. Then you'll place the center of the compass over your last dot and arrow that you drew. Like that. And then you would mark the north pointing arrow and continue that process. It's a little difficult with this kind of magnet, so I'll just kind of estimate it. Just like that. And so now we have one magnetic field line. And so what you'll want to do is you'll want to do several other field lines, both above and below the magnet, and even to the left and to the right side of the magnet. And so when you're finished, you'll have a bunch of lines that will demonstrate the magnetic field of a bar magnet. And when you're finished with that part, you're finished with part 1.